Here we have Japanese toilet. It's a nice valve on. This is start-up cycle. And then you've got stuff like the light. If you want it cleaning, come on and give everything a bit of a clean, it will. All over. Good, isn't it? And when someone goes to sit on it, it's going to be a bit funny to do because I don't want a face full of water, but right, so if I go so the rear, so now it'll come out, give you a bit of a squirty. Oh, lovely. Get back away because realise someone's got off the toilet. You got different things like your water temp. You even got a little dryer. So once you're finished, get a little dryer going. Get yourself nice and dry. It's good though. I think a little thing. Stop. It's got some different features on here. Pressures and position and water temp, eco, stuff like that. So fun though. Yeah, so flushes like a normal toilet. So that's Dr.J. A BB attachment.